Hey, thanks for stopping by and checking this out. Today I'm looking at the minor drop, like a minor line cliche. And let's zoom in here and take a look what I'm talking about. This is basically if you're playing a minor chord, but you want to hold that chord for maybe a measure or two. And what's happening is there's a descending melody on the G string here as the chords change. So we have C, C flat, B flat to A. And then I was ending that with a B flat major 7 in the beginning of the video there. Thinking of like a minor 2 to a major root kind of chord progression. But say you have like a minor chord up here on your 6th string. Say we have a G minor. It'd be the same kind of concept. We'd go G minor, G minor major 7, G minor 7 to G minor 6. You could end that with an F chord, or you could end it with an F major 7. If you're doing, the same kind of thing, a 2 minor 2 major 1 progression.